Hello and good evening. Right there, today we're going to jump into a site called code.org and show you how you can start coding your own app, your own mobile app, which will work on a mobile phone, as well as you being able to test and develop it on this website for free. So the cookie notice at first, if you just close that and then select your language, so it's on English, and click submit. If we go to create, you can explore around on different programs, and code.org is a website that teaches you how to not only code apps but code other programs. But if you go up to the top and go on to sign in, which is a little bit weird because we've not created our account yet, but you will notice, okay, if you've already got an account, you can sign in. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, or you can press this white button here which says create an account if you've not been on there before. So if we go to create an account, you can sign up with any of those methods, or you can enter email address and password combination, which is what we're going to use. All of them work in the same way. So if you enter your email address, so we're going to enter applab@dpscomputing.com, and then you choose a password. There doesn't look like there's any restrictions on passwords here, so we're going to go with our password. And you need to type in the same password. Again, once you've done that, you just need to click the sign up button. And for this, you need to either select student or teacher. So for most people here, student will suffice. You don't need all the extra things with creating classroom sections, assigning work to people. So if you just put student, you can explore all the courses and activities, which is what we want to do. You don't need to check the box for being a parent guardian if you are an adult. Display name, so you can choose your own display name there, and you can select your age, so 21 plus. And then you've just got to agree to the privacy policy, which you can read, and also the terms of service as well. So once you've ticked that, you can press go to my account, and there you are. We're logged in already. So this is it. You're presented with your dashboard, and now you are ready to get started coding your app. So you can start learning, and there's also new projects that you can join. So AppLab is great, particularly if you've not developed mobile apps before. So we've signed up successfully now. And in later videos, we're going to show you some of the courses that you can take, how you can learn app development, and show you some of the common problems, how to fix them, as well as going freestyle and developing your own projects on code.org. So I hope that helps. If you've got any issues with the sign-in process, let us know in the comments and we shall try to help. It is pretty easy, but sometimes there are some difficulties. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned with the videos that we're doing on creating apps, and we will see you back here shortly. Take care. Bye.